How to turn on friend suggestion notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap. Then as you see when your Snap is opening, as you see camera, you go here and open your profile. Then you go to settings here and click. Then go to notification option, click, and then you will find here friend suggestion as it means like you will have notification of friend suggestion. You will just click here to turn on this option, and that's it. It will work on you, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.